Hi, I am Hiral. Welcome to our channel Computer Sarthi. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about how can we use the mouse, which is an important part of the computer system. As you can see, the computer consists of many parts. Among these, we are going to learn about this mouse. What is this? Yes, this is a mouse, or we can say that this is a computer mouse. A mouse is an important part of the computer. Whenever we are talking about the computer, now the computer consists of four main parts: CPU, monitor, keyboard and mouse. So we can say that a mouse is an important part of the computer system. It is used to point and select an item on the monitor. By using mouse, we can able to point or select anything which is visible into the monitor. We can able to point and select that item. It also helps to draw pictures and play games. By using mouse, we can able to draw pictures and as well as we can able to play video games into the computer system. Let us see about this mouse button, that what is mouse buttons and how many mouse buttons are available in the mouse. A mouse button generally has three buttons. As you can see in the image, that having a three mouse button, one is a green, red and yellow. Let us see. The first one is a left button. Second one is a center button on a scroll wheel. Third one is a right button. In the computer mouse having a three buttons, the first one is a left button, second is a center button or a scroll wheel, and the third one is a right button. How to hold the mouse? Now we are going to learn about that how can we hold the mouse whenever we are using the mouse with the computer system. As you can see in the picture, hold the mouse lightly so that your palm rests on it. You have to hold a mouse lightly so that our palm is rest on it. It means on mouse. Put your index finger on the left mouse button. After that, we have to put our index finger on the mouse left button. Put your middle finger on the right mouse button. As you can see in the image, we have to place our middle finger at the right mouse button. Let us see that how can we use this mouse. We already learned that how can we hold a mouse. Now we are going to learn about how can we use the mouse. We can use mouse by pressing its button. How many buttons are there? Yes, three buttons are there. Left, central button or scroll wheel and the right button. Pressing the button is called a clicking. If we want to use mouse, then we must have to use the button which is available on the mouse. We just have to click on the mouse button and we can able to use this mouse. The pressing of the button, this process is known as a clicking, as you can see in the image. A hand pressing the mouse left button. It is known as a clicking. There is two types of clicking available. Left click, scroll wheel and the right click. If you are talking about the clicking, there is three type of the click available. That is the left click, scroll wheel and the right click. Whenever we are pressing the left button, then it is left click. Whenever we press a right button, then it is a right click. And whenever we press a scroll wheel or the roll the scroll wheel, that time it is known as a scroll wheel. There are two types of clicking available, like a single click and the double click. Single click. Gently press and release the left mouse button once. We just have to click a mouse left button once, which is known as a single click. Double click. Quickly press and release the left mouse button twice. Double click, that means we have to press a mouse left button twice, which is known as a double click. Now we are going to learn about what is drag and what is drop. Dragging and dropping is also an important activity of a mouse. Whenever we are working with the computer system, that time this dragging and dropping one process is also an important part. As you can see in the image, dragging the mouse means move an object while holding the left mouse button pressed. Dragging means we first have to press a mouse left button and then hold the mouse left button, and we have to move the mouse from one place to another place, and then we just have to release the mouse left button, which is known as a dragging. Releasing the mouse button after dragging an object is called dropping. When we release the mouse button after the dragging, that point known as a dropping. Hello students, now we are going to see the practical about how can we use Open Paint software by using mouse. For that, first you have to click the Start button, which is available on the left corner of the taskbar, as you can see on the screen. Simply press your left mouse button on this Start button. After that, now you have to select all programs. For selecting the all programs, simply click on the mouse left button. Here now you have to select the accessories folder, which is available over here. For that, simply you have to click mouse left button on it. After clicking on mouse left button, you can able to see the lots of the program available on the computer system. You are going to choose this paint option for opening this application. Simply click mouse left button on this paint. After clicking on the paint software, you can able to see the paint window on the screen. In this way, we can able to open the paint screen as well as any other software. Now we are going to see that how can we use the double click of the mouse. Simply double click on this computer icon for opening the Windows Explorer. After clicking on the computer icon, we can able to see one window over here. Now we are going to see the practical about drag and drop. For drag and drop, first we have to select the folder or the any file that we want to drag and drop. For that, I am going to select this AB folder. After clicking on the mouse left button, I can able to select this folder AB. Now I want to move this folder from this place to right at the right corner of the desktop. That time just I have to click the mouse left button and hold the mouse left button and place this folder to the desired location. You can able to see the effect on the screen. Now I am reached at my desired location. That time just I have to release the mouse left button. After releasing the mouse left button, you can able to see the folder AB is moved from left side to the right side. In this way, we can use the drag and drop into the computer system. Thank you.